In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of enabling professional mode on Facebook. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Enabling professional mode on Facebook allows users to access advanced features and settings tailored for business and professional use. It provides tools such as insights and analytics, audience targeting options, and enhanced page management capabilities, helping businesses and professionals optimize their presence and engagement on the platform. Let's dive right in. To begin, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. Once you're on your profile page, you'll notice a three-dot icon or ellipsis located somewhere on the screen. Tap on it to access your profile settings. In your profile settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on this option. Before proceeding, let's take a moment to understand what professional mode offers. Professional mode enables you to monetize your content, increase its visibility, and grow your follower base on Facebook. To activate it, simply tap the Add Turn On button. Upon enabling professional mode, you'll need to complete your profile. This involves 3 key steps. Click on Add next to the Bio section and type in a brief description of yourself. Afterward, click Save. Upload a profile picture that represents you or your brand. Choose an eye-catching cover photo that complements your profile. You also have the option to provide additional information about yourself, such as your workplace, education, current city, and more. Now that your professional mode is active, you can start creating and sharing content directly from your profile. Simply tap on the option to create new content, allowing you to engage with your followers and audience more effectively. While in professional mode, you'll have access to a variety of tools designed to enhance your experience. Click on Add View Tools feature to explore these tools further. You can gain valuable insights about your audience and followers, enabling you to optimize your content strategy. And that's it. You're now well equipped to make the most of Facebook's professional mode, with the ability to monetize your content, expand your reach, and interact more effectively with your followers. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.